On this video today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide that you can use to make up to $7,000 per week on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end because I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create a Digistore24 account. Once you create your accounts and login, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you can see categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money on this platform. If you click on any of these categories, you are going to find a lot of different digital products that you can promote to earn money. What I'm going to be doing in this video is that I'm going to be promoting a physical product. So you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, physical products. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, supplements. Once you click on supplements, you can see these are products that you can promote to earn money on Digistore24. You can see this product right here. You are going to be earning $108.04 as a commission anytime you get a sale. If you scroll down, there are many other products that you can promote to earn a commission on this platform. You can see many of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here, Still Bite Pro. You can see the commission rate is $96.21. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. So now what you have to do is that you have to look at the product landing page so that you can get some basic information about it. But if you have been promoting the product, there's no need for it. If you are new to the product, just click right here, sales page, so that you can see the landing page. Once you click on the sales page, you can see this is the landing page of the product. As you can see right here, this is a video that your potential visitors are going to watch before they decide to buy the product. This product is about how to keep your teeth healthy and then strong. So if you want to get more information about the product, just click right here, click or tap for sound. Once you click on that, you can watch the video so that you can get some basic information about the product. Once you get to know more about the product, you can click right here, affiliate support page. Once you click on it, the product owner has a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. But in this video, we are not going to be using the affiliate resources, so there's no need for us to check if there are resources available for us. What we are going to do is that we are going to use a simple trick so that we can get thousands of people to click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product. So now this is your affiliate link. If you are new to the product, you see something like promote now. Once you see something like that, just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. In my case, I've been promoting it, so this is my affiliate link. You can see it right here. So now the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this particular link so that you can get people to buy the product through your affiliate link. Once you get the people to buy it, you are going to be tracked and then get paid. So you have to find a way of driving traffic to this particular affiliate link. There are two ways that you can use to get traffic to the link. We have paid method and then free method. In this case, I'm going to show you the free method that you can use to drive traffic to this particular link so that you can be making money from home without investing any money. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to be using ChatGPT to generate an article so that we can use the article to promote the product. So just search for openai.com. Once you search for openai.com, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, try on ChatGPT. Once you click on that, you are going to sign up for an account so that you can begin to use ChatGPT to generate articles. I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to use the platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. This is ChatGPT. So what you have to do is that you have to ask it to write an article for you. Our product is about how to keep your teeth healthy and then strong. So you are going to generate an article about how to take good care of your teeth. So you can type something like how to take good care of your teeth. Something like this, how to take good care of your teeth. Once you type your question, the next step is that you are going to click right here so that ChatGPT will write the article for you. You can see it is writing everything. You can see this is the article that is writing for you. You can see everything. As you can see right here, ChatGPT has generated an article for us. You can see these are some of the ways that we can use to keep your teeth healthy and strong. You can see everything. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to publish this particular article so that we can get people to read it and then purchase the product that we are going to be promoting. So first of all, you have to build a website so that you can publish this particular article. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using site.google.com. Once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this. This is a platform where you can create a free website or a free landing page. It is going to be hosted by Google, so you are not going to pay for anything. Once you are on the platform, what you have to do is that you have to click right here blank so that you can create a new website. Once you click on blank, you are going to see a page like this. So this is where you are going to begin designing your website. First of all, you are going to give a name to your website. You can just come right here and then type any name that you want. In this case, I'm going to type Strong Teeth, so something like this. That is the name of my website, Strong Teeth. Once that is done, you are going to type the title of your website right here. So you have to type a title that matches the product that you are promoting. So you can type something like good dental practices, something like this, good dental practices, or you can say good dental care, or whatever that you want. You can even highlight and increase the font size, so just highlight it. You can change the font themes, just click on it and then select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select impact. Once that is done, you can increase or decrease the font size, so I want 36. Once that is done, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can analyze whatever that you want, you can do with the text. Once you have the title of your website, the next step is that you are going to add an image to it so that it can look nice. So just come right here, click on change image. Once you click on that, you are going to click on select. Once you click on select, you are going to click right here search. Once you click on search, you are going to search for an image on Google. So just search for good teeth, something like this. Just type good teeth right here. Once you type good teeth, click on search. Once you search for it, you can see these are examples of teeth that you can use to design your website. You can see many of them, so you have to choose the one that you like. In this case, I'm going to choose this particular image, so just click on it to select it. Once you select it, click right here select, so that it can be uploaded right here. As you can see, that has been done. The image has been uploaded. You can see it right here. So now the next step is that you are going to paste the body of your article right here. So just come right here, click on text box. Once you click on it, you can see the text box right here. The first thing is that you have to highlight and copy the title of your article. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can increase the font size. So let's increase it to something like 24. I think that is okay. You can make it bold, so just highlight and then click right here bold so that the text can be bold. So let me make the first one cap. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have the title, the next step is that you are going to paste the introduction of the article right here. So just come back, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you can see it right here. Come back on ChatGPT, highlight and copy the introduction of the article. Once you highlight it, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to paste some of the tips. So just come back, click on text box. Once that is done, you are going to come back on ChatGPT and then copy some of the tips. So let's copy from 1 to 5. Just highlight and copy from 1 to 5. Once that is done, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your text, the next step is that you are going to paste an image of the offer that you are promoting right here. You are promoting StillBite Pro, so you have to get an image of the offer and then paste it right here. So just come back on Digistore24 again. Once you are on Digistore24, just put your pointer on the image of the offer. Once your pointer is on the image, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as, so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image of the offer, the next step is that you are going to click right here images. Once you click on that, you are going to select upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to select your image, click on open so that you can upload the image of the offer right here. As you can see, this is the image of the offer. You can see it right here. Just drag it and then make it large. So we are going to make it large. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have the image of the offer, the next step is that you are going to type a call to action right here. So just come right here, click on text box. Once you click on that, you can type your call to action right here. So you are going to type a simple call to action like this. Once you have your call to action, you can highlight it and then make it bold. You can increase the font size of your call to action. So just increase it to any size that you want. In this case, I'm going to select 24. Once that is done, you are going to come back on Digistore24. Once you are on Digistore24, you are going to highlight and copy your affiliate link. So just highlight and copy it right here. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then insert your affiliate link into this particular call to action, so that when people click on this particular call to action, they will be directed to the product through your affiliate link. So just highlight the text. Once you highlight it, click on this particular icon right here, insert link. Once that is done, you are going to paste your link right here that is your affiliate link. Click on apply, and you can see this particular call to action is linked to your affiliate link. Once that is done, you are also going to insert your affiliate link in the image. So just highlight it, click on insert link icon. Once that is done, paste your affiliate link right here, click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that we are going to add the rest of the content. So just come right here, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to come back and then highlight and copy the rest of the content. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, we are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can paste another call to action right here, but this particular article is not all that lengthy, so one call to action is enough. You can get people to click through and then purchase the product. You can see the article is not lengthy. Assuming your article is lengthy, you have to insert your affiliate link into it, as many as you can. So for example, you can see right here, there's a call to action right here: visit the dentist for regular checkup. So you can insert your affiliate link right here. So let me just highlight and do that for you to see. Just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, come back and then click right here, insert link. Once you click on that, just paste your link right here, click on apply. So once your readers click right here, visit the dentist for regular checkups and cleanings. So once they click on that, they are going to be directed to the product. So you can insert your affiliate link in any part of the article that will get the attention of the reader to click through. So now once you have your article, the next step is that you are going to publish it. So just come right here, click on publish. Once you click on publish, you are going to type a web address right here. So you can type something like strong teeth. Let's see if that name is available. You can see that is not available. You can add numbers. So strong teeth 23, I think that is available. Strong teeth 23. So it doesn't matter. A web address does not matter. You can type a web address like this. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, publish, so that your article can be published. Once you click on publish, your article has been published. You can click right here, view, so that you can view your published website. Once you click on view, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is your article. You can see everything is nice. So once you get people to read it, some of them are going to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. So now the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this particular article, so that you can get people to read it and then click on your affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to find a way of getting people to read this particular article. You can use Facebook, you can use any means that you can, so that you can get people to read the article and then click on your affiliate link. If you promote a direct affiliate link, you are not going to get many people to purchase the product. So we are going to be using the article as a bridge page. So now the next step is that we are going to submit this particular article to different search engines, so that you can get many readers to read our article and then take the necessary action for us to make money. The first search engine that we are going to be submitting our article is entireweb.com. This is a private search engine that you can submit your web pages for free. So once you submit it, they are going to display it to thousands of readers who are going to read your article, and once they read it, many of them are going to click on your affiliate link. As you can see on SimilarWeb, many of the people who use the search engine, they are from the United States. You can see 29.36%. The second one is India. You can see the third one is Belgium. You can see Japan, Brazil. So you are going to be getting quality traffic to your affiliate link for free. So now once you are on entireweb.com, what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, click on services. Once you click on services, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here free submission. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you can see submit your web page. So you are going to submit our web page so that we can get a lot of people to read it. So just scroll down, click on click to submit. Once you click on that, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here web page address. So you are going to paste the link to your website right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back and then highlight and copy your web address. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come right here and then paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link right here, you are also going to enter your email address right here. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, click here to submit. So just click on it so that your website can be submitted to this particular search engine. You can see right here, confirm your email address. So you have to check your email inbox so that you can confirm your email. As you can see in my inbox, this is the email confirmation. You can see it right here. Just scroll down and click right here, confirm your submission, so that it will be confirmed. Once you click on that, you can see we've got it. Thank you for your submission. We have received your submission and we have added your URL to our queue. So it is now in queue now. So once it is your turn, they are going to publish your website so that you can be getting free traffic. Apart from entireweb.com, you can also come on this website freewebsubmission.com. On this website, you can submit your article to many search engines. You can see these are a lot of different search engines that you can submit your website, and you are going to be getting many people to read your article. You can see a lot of different search engines. You can see these are local search engines, and they are showing you the locations. You can see this one is Canada, you can see UK, you can see United States, and many others. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here web URL. So this is where you're going to paste the URL of your website. So you're going to paste the URL of your website right here. Once that is done, you're going to type your name right here. So just type your name right here. As you can see, this is my name. You are going to also enter your email address. As you can see, that has been done. You can see I've read and agreed to the terms. Click on yes. Once that is done, you can see these are the search engines that your website is going to be submitted to. If you don't want any of them, you can deselect it. If you like it, you are going to select it. Once you have submitted your information, you are going to click right here, submit your site. So just click on it. Once you click on it, they are going to show you something like this. They are promoting you something, so just ignore it and then click on close this box. As you can see right here, verification required. Please verify your email address. This is a one-time verification, so you have to check your email inbox just like we did for the first one, so that you can verify that you are a human. So once you click on the verification link, your website is going to be submitted. As you can see in my inbox, this is the link, so just click on it so that you can verify. Once you click on it, you can see verify membership, so just click on that so that you can verify. You can also click on this particular link, so just click on verify membership. Once you click on it, you can see your email address has been verified. Click the submit your site button below to complete your free web submission. So just click on it, submit. Once you click on it, you can see this particular search engine accepted your submission. You can see success, you can see success, you can see success. You need to click on to complete this one. You can see success, you can see success. A lot of search engines are accepting your article. You can see this one right here, it failed. So you can see a lot of search engines have accepted your article. For Bing and then Google, what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can complete the process. So make sure you click on it and then complete the process so that you can get a lot of people to read your article and then purchase the product for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.